There? Right here?
Okay.
Just
5 words.
This one is different from this one. So this one is made from yam.
Okay.
You cook the yam and then you pound it. Actually, with the era of technology now, we have pound of flour. Because back home we do cook yam and then we pound it down. With mortar and pestle, yeah, thank you. But now this one is made from the prepared yam flour. So this one is made from cassava, Abby. Am I correct? So I can explain this for this one. So this one is a foriro from the traditional cuisine and vegetable. Generally, we call it vegetable foriro. So, but this one we have to substitute here in Canada because the particular vegetable we used to prepare back home is different. This one is just the spinach and I forgot the second one I use now.
Spinach.
No, I used to
Kale.
Kale. I used kale and I used spinach. So every other process remained the same, but the type of vegetable used just different. So we fry the stew.
Cultural hybridization there.
Yes, the stew was made from pepper, or the red pepper, the red bell pepper, the habanero, and all these condiments inside is just the pomo, the cow skin, stripes, fish, and also everything is mixed after fried the stew. We put in the dried fish too, all sorts of fish, and so then we put in the vegetable and stir it up as stew.
Beautiful. Voila. Up next.
Okay, this is we call it kukuru in my native language, but it's cassava flour. So you just put the water on the fire and you pour it flour. So just mix everything together. So the next one is jollof rice. I believe you all know Nigerian jollof.
Yes, there's a jollof 10A10, I
This
think.
Nigerian jollof.
This one is Nigerian jollof. So I use vegetable oil, habanero pepper, tomatoes, chicken stock, and seasoning, even herbs.
Wonderful.
So I use the same thing for this.
This looks spicy.
It's not spicy. Yeah, it looks spicy, but it's not spicy. It's just habanero pepper and tomatoes. So the chicken.
I think this is spicy.
So this
This
together
is moyo.
goes together.
Yeah.
No, this one goes with okra. This is just okra. Yes,
Raw
mix
soup.
this with this and use it with this. You use this.
This with this.
It's not the pink sauce. It's okra.
Wonderful. Okay. Excellent. We'll keep it going because we're almost at closer. Wonderful. Right here.
So it's chicken.
Do you make all of these?
Grilled.
Wow. Good job.
So you have time to sleep?
I woke up 3 o'clock. I slept by 12. And I woke up by
thank
3.
you. Wow. Wow. Okay.
So I just marinated this and I put it in the oven.
Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Okay.
Thank you.
I feel like I needed to bring more dishes. now.
This is regular Canadian chicken. Right? Is that your traditional Canadian chicken? Yeah.
With the African.
Yeah. Everyone has chicken in their country, so this is
Canadian.
Canadian chicken. Right? So this is Thai. Yes, hard chicken. Yeah. The Canadian one is soft chicken.
This is your interpretation of a cultural adaptation.
So I just made I steamed it, then add sauce to it, use macaroni pepper, scotch bonnet, and normal tomatoes. Add it together, then add to steam it to make it look appetizing and making it look so attractive.
Here we go. Okay,
Is it
wonderful.
grill?
Good. No. Yeah. Okay, that's grilled. Fried. This one is grilled.
This is grill.
This is grilled. This is fried.
Fried.
Okay. Up next, right here, I think.
Okay.
This is egusi soup. It's one of our traditional
Melon
soups
soup.
in Nigeria. It's made from melon, egusi, and spinach leaf, vegetable, mixed together with Cameroon pepper.
That will be so spicy.
Very spicy.
Very spicy.
But this is not so spicy because I know it's for.
Which one is spicy? You can
Then
compare with
it's,
your taste.
Mixture
And this
of
one is very
protein.
spicy too.
There's
This is spicy
dry
too.
fish,
Yes.
there's stockfish, there's skin pomo, we call it pomo, And yeah, so many, we call it galloping. A lot of galloping that you will be able to chew when you are
Crunchy.
eating. Crunchy.
With texture.
Yeah.
Texture.
So as you are eating, you are busy.
Okay.
You are chewing things. Then this is pounded yam, made from yam flour.
Just like
Remember
this?
my
This is the same?
presentation?
I do.
New Yam Festival. This is also made from yam. But now this was it's been modernized. It was made into powder. Then I can do this on the stove.
Yes.
Usually back in my country, Nigeria, we use pounded.
Mortar and pestle.
Mortar and pestle. Because the whole building will know you are cooking.
You can do it in Canada house.
But this one,
It's
it's very nice. When you eat it, you get into it. You get addicted because we use it for big occasions.
One more minute for this presenter.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Wonderful.
that is all. Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna go rapid fire now.
Okay,
Rapid
yeah.
fire.
This is
One sentence. Go.
this is from Latoya. Curry chicken.
Are you here? Okay.
Curry chicken with sauce. Yellow curry, not the common curry you know. This is yellow curry that is used. No, it's not turmeric, it's curry from Jamaica. Okay, so you can eat this along with anything, but this is what she was able to get in Canada as an accompaniment with the curry chicken.
Thank you for being the
Thank you.
spokesperson.
We know how to make rice. Yeah, put rice in
Up
there.
next, this general area.
This one.
Sure.
This is called kiribat. Kiribat in Sinhala.
Not rice.
Not rice?
It's milk rice. It's made milk
Okay.
rice.
Milk rice.
We
The type of rice.
cook with this coconut milk mixed with rice. We use traditional.
Sweeter? A little sweeter?
No. We use traditional rice, but here we cannot find the traditional rice, so we use basmati rice for this and have the perfect shape of this because of the rice. And this is lunumiris. It's mixed with onion, dry fish, chili flakes, lemon, and salt. It's a little bit spicy. That's it.
Great. Awesome. And then we go back this way.
Yeah.